Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Zangy and today I got a new video for you guys, and basically today it's gonna be the last video of the plugin basic series. Alright, we have talked about all of these points in the previous videos: the header requirements, activation, deactivation hooks, best practices, and basically uninstall methods. The only one that was missing was including a software license. Right, so in the header requirements, as you could see, if you go into the last section of the settings, in the header fields itself, you will find something that is called the license or the license URI, right? So as you can see, if I go into this link, it's going to take me to GNU, which is basically just the general public license. And as you can see, GNU is an operating system by itself, but it does operate the general public license, which basically stands for GNU not Unix. So if you read this, as you can see, everyone is permitted to copy and distribute verbatim copies of the license document, but changing it is not allowed. So you can copy this, download this, use it, but you cannot change in it. All right, so this is one of the public licenses that you could use. You also have something called MIT license. All right, again, read each and every license, because not each and every license is going to suit your needs and requirements that you want for your project. And if you're not sure about which license to use, if you have like a really good project that you want to make money out of, do not publish it. Do not publish it until you get your license fixed. And honestly, to be completely honest with you, if you're going to go and publish a plugin that's gonna make for you money, like basically you're gonna sell this as a copyrighted version and you don't want people to actually use this without paying for it, you should not use any of these licenses. You should be talking to a actual expert in uh, basically in legal operations. All right, so again, this is just a general overview of the various licenses that you could find. So you could find free licenses, open source licenses, common creative licenses, which all have their different features, and they also have their different advantages and disadvantages, and what is permissible for users to use and what's not permissible to users to use. It's all mentioned in each and every license, so I'm not gonna go on each and every one of them, because in all honesty, of course I don't know each and every one of them. Like if you check out the GNU license, as you could see, there's just many of examples just on their website. Same thing as in the opensource.org website. So again, just make sure to check out the open source licenses. Okay, you also have something called the GNU Affero General Public License. I did not use it because I do not have a current plugin that I use that has these certain requirements. But again, like I said, this is just an overview video about the licenses, so just make sure to check out which license you need. So as you can see, you have permissive licenses. Like I said, they are kind of like open source. So as you can see, it's anything goes. MIT license, Apache license. You got Copyleft licenses. This is basically kind of like the one I just explained to you. You can distribute the source code, but however, I'm pretty sure you cannot modify this. All right. So again, like I said, each and every one is different from the other, but again, they fall onto two different categories, which are permissive licenses and copyleft licenses. All right. Again, if you want to check out the licenses, you can go into the open source initiative and just check out all the licenses that are available and check what license is basically applicable with your project. All right, so this way, if I want to add the MIT license, I can just go into Google and just search for MIT license. And as you can see, it's going to bring you this link by open source. So I can just copy the license from over here. Again, this is basically just to use everything you can use on this license. All right, so let's say I'm just going to copy this into a license.markdown, and I'm going to put the copyright here. All right, so I can just put 2024 and the copyright holder and go edu, right? So that is pretty much it. This is how you can add your own license to your software, and then you can just git commit this and push this to your git repository, and basically just publish this to the community if you'd like. If you want to use a private license, then you could consult a legal advisor. All right, that's pretty much it. This was Angu video. I'll see you guys in the next video where we're going to be talking about plugin security, user roles and capabilities. Peace. I'll see you guys in the next video, and you guys have a beautiful day.